Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Ethereum from PayPal to MetaMask in 2025. If you've got some ETH sitting in your PayPal account and want to move it to your MetaMask wallet for more control and DeFi opportunities, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new regulations and tech updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a verified PayPal account with Ethereum funds, a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, and a solid internet connection. Oh, and always double-check for the latest 2025 updates on fees and network changes. Crypto waits for no one. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to your crypto holdings. Select your Ethereum balance and choose the option to withdraw or transfer it out. PayPal might prompt you to convert it or link a wallet, so go ahead and select Withdraw to Wallet. Remember, in 2025, PayPal has integrated more seamless blockchain options, but keep an eye on any transaction fees that could eat into your profits. Next up, enter your MetaMask wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from MetaMask to avoid any typos that could send your ETH into the void. Once entered, confirm the transaction in PayPal. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After that, head over to your MetaMask app. You should see the incoming ETH once the transfer is complete. If it's not showing up right away, give it a refresh or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick word of caution: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay secure against hacks. And don't forget, the crypto world is full of surprises, so stay informed about any 2025 specific rules from PayPal or Ethereum. There you have it. Your Ethereum is now safely in MetaMask, ready for staking, trading, or whatever adventure you have planned. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital future.